Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're going to do some investing on Cash App. If you don't know how to use this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description to get $5 for free. Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You can add to your balance. There's a card that you can spend and also add boosts, which allow you to unlock some dope discounts here. They've got peer-to-peer payments and the investing section. So we've got stocks and Bitcoin up at the top. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. $1, tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. If you don't know, I buy $1 every single day, and I do an update on my channel every Friday for this experiment. So Bitcoin up 6% today at $36,841. I have $3,122 of Bitcoin. I've been buying every day for over 725 days. You can see the activity there, and you can see Bitcoin owned 0.0847. So we've got today's Bitcoin purchased. Looking at the news here, nothing too exciting. Let's head over to the stocks. We're up just a little bit today, 0.32%, up $14. Total invested $3,391. Total gain $1,159. Let's take a look at our portfolio. Let's sort by my total investment value. Started to put my money where my mouth is lately, investing in Square. I think I've got about 1 share of Tesla, 10 shares of Snapchat, a little bit of these other ones here. Square up 9% on the week. I recently purchased like 6 shares, otherwise this total gain would be way more. Square seems to be picking up Cash App users amidst Robinhood drama. Big facts there, Robinhood going downhill. Let's buy just a little bit more Square today. Tap buy, tap the 3 dots, tap $5, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. Confirm. Just like that, we purchased $5 more of Square. Let's scroll down here. So I own 10.09 shares. Good stuff. Let's switch to daily percentage change. So most stuff going up today. We've got a couple things down a little bit. How's Tesla looking? Up 4% on the week, 18% on the month. I own 1.142 shares of Tesla. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of Tesla today. Tap buy, tap 3 dots, type $5, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. Tap confirm. Tap done. Just like that, we've added more Tesla. So as you guys can see, Cash App makes investing in stocks and Bitcoin super easy. It's crazy if you haven't seen this stuff before. It's a wild time we live in to just be able to invest this easily. Hopefully everybody is taking advantage of this. Let's take a look at Google, aka Alphabet. Share price is over $2,000, $1.4 trillion company. Alphabet stock hits all-time high as analysts boost price targets. What else should we buy? Let's buy a little bit of Snapchat. Total invested $449, total gain $153. I own 10.13 shares. Let's go ahead and tap buy. Buy $5 of this. Maybe Cash App needs like 1-click buying. You know, it's taken me like 10 seconds to buy a stock. That's just too long. GoPro, total invested $9, total gain $189. You know, GoPro is one that I talked about. It's absolutely crazy. Their stock was over $90 a share, went down to like $2 a share. Now it's back up over 10. Company value $1.6 billion. How much is a share? $10.70. Let's go ahead and just buy a share of GoPro. 10.70 next. Confirm. Done. We got that. That'll do it for today. You know, I'm just making these casual investments daily on Cash App. Stocks, Bitcoin, super easy to do. Just come in here, play around with a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. There's also links to earn free cryptocurrencies and other things down in the description as well. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win. Don't blame your problems on the past. Just let them make you come and last you.